strawberry jam with strawberries from the garden. Super tasty, super easy to make. It's just strawberries, a little bit of lemon, and chia seeds. There's no added sugar. You don't need it. Strawberries from the garden are so tasty. And there's no pectin either. The chia seeds are what are working in place of that. So you just throw it all together, boil it down, and you've got yourself a really tasty jam. We put it on our BLTs last night. Delicious. So you should go harvest some strawberries, make yourself some tasty jam. Definitely leave me any comments with questions so that I can help you out with that. And as always, have a good day now.